What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the next episode. Tonight, mi padre comes home. Lily's dad comes home. You okay? You okay? Yeah. What happened?
Window thingy. The stupid curtain holder thing. Curtain rod was on the floor.
Oh.
We're gonna slam my freaking heel. Roll my foot against it.
You alright though? Yeah. Okay. Lily's dad comes home tonight, so we're gonna go pick him up at the airport. He's been gone for a month to Puerto Rico, seeing his family, doing stuff for them. I'm gonna hit the gym real quick, then we're gonna go pick him up. We're excited because we've missed him. He's been away for a month and we haven't seen him for probably over a month because we were still living in Rhode Island before he went. So we haven't seen him in over a month, which is a long time, guys. It's a long time. The pre-workout is kicking in. Let's go do this.
Don't worry, just, link those little
I want to suck your blood. Oh,
Alright, you got
God.
the keys. It's 7:43 and we're late. Mom, you got the keys?
I got the keys, keys. I got the keys.
At least the house is perfectly in.
Getting poppy. Getting poppy.
Oh, here you go.
Getting poppy.
Come on, Diego, let's go get Puppy.
It's a family affair. Shwee.
Come on.
It's a
let's go.
family affair. Family affair.
Come on. I know. Oh God.
He's gonna be like, oh, Jesus Christ, you guys brought Diego? For what, man? For what?
I know. I'm already practicing. Here. Oh, okay.
To get Padre.
Queso y guayaba.
Mm-hmm. Some.
Don't get me.
You look beautiful.
Give me that. Look. Oh, no. ¿Y cómo hizo por lo mismo?
Look at that. Some
Eso.
Puerto Rican donuts, kid.
Flour and cheese.
Not cream.
So, my mommy got me this sweatshirt. And it's the comfiest sweatshirt known to man. Just how to make that known. Battery's about to die. Battery's about to die. Battery's about to die. Battery's about to die. Hey, battery's about to die. Good morning, guys. Gonna drive Lily to work today. It's Saturday. She's working, I am not, which sucks, but it is what it is. Her car is over there because we took one car home. So I'm gonna drive there and swap cars. And then you get to hang out with little old me today. Yeah, I had if my face looks swollen, it's because I had a really bizarre dream. My sister, one of my sisters passed away when I was back in high school from a car accident. And I started dreaming about her, and I got really sad and really emotional. And so I was just crying a little bit, but if I look like I got punched in my eyes, that's why. And we're gonna get a little bit of Starbies to start off our day, start off on the right foot, and get this thing rolling. You ready? I'm ready, let's go. Calories and stuff though. Yummy. Huh? Yeah, I don't know.
do 3 cake pops.
Yeah. I hate goodbyes.
Off to work.
I love you.
I love you too. 7:50 in the morning for anyone wondering.
6:50.
I mean 6:50, that's how you know.
Mm-hmm. That's sunrise, huh? Looks great. Give me a good day. Okay, so now that I dropped off Lily at work, I'm going to, luckily my sister only works probably like 10 minutes away. Just because I had that dream last night of my siblings all being together, and you know, my other sister Nicole, who did pass away, was in the dream, and like I was saying, I was getting really emotional this morning. You know, I just want to go see her, and I'm gonna bring her a coffee because she's working the same time Lily's working this morning, 7 to 3 at her job. So I'm gonna go over there, bring her a coffee, and just say what's up. Let's do it.
I started what, last Wednesday?
I want the manager right now.
Hi.
What's up?
My brother.
How you doing, man?
Just bring me a coffee.
Yeah, and
How
a
you
spinach and feta wrap.
I love you.
Boys.
Oh my god, are you serious?
Yeah. I had to drive Lily to work.
No.
I didn't, I just took a guess.
Oh my god, I love you. That's literally what I get. I'm so tired.
That's why I got the grande. I didn't know if you were gonna like it or not. Otherwise, I would have went venti.
Oh my god, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Sean? Hi.
Yeah, when your brother comes through with the goods.
Literally. I'll take an Instagram photo. You going to Lunny?
No.
No.
I just had to drop Lily off.
Oh. Have the day off?
Yeah, she's working and I'm off today.
That stinks.
We took one car yesterday and I gotta go do her brakes and stuff.
Oh. That's cool.
Yeah. Just standing next to the camera. I had.
I look like complete poop right now.
No.
Yeah, I literally woke up 10 minutes before I had to leave, so. This is the
Hey.
result. Oh, goodness.
Yup. That spinach and feta wrap, son. KG. My G.
Watching the memes? Or...
Oh, yeah. When you're not hip.
Yeah.
Oh god, I'm getting old. Alright.
What, 28?
27. I'll be 28 this year.
25.
Oh shit.
I believe it.
I know.
Hug me, brother. I love you.
Alright, I love you too. So I did a whole lot of nothing today. And that's okay. Went to the gym. The Shui is home and already crashed. I'm just gonna chill tonight, I think. Get some dinner. Make something here, I mean. Maybe get some 2K action in. I don't know. Stay posted. I don't know. I'll keep you posted. Gonna get some coffee, get some energy. I want to stay up tonight. I don't want to just crash, you know what I mean, and go to bed. What's going on, guys? Just got home from work. Wanted to end the vlog here. And in closing, I just wanted to say, if you truly love someone or appreciate someone or have a kind thought about someone, tell them. Let them know, because you don't know how long, you know, that person will be around for. You don't know how long you'll be around for, because any day could be your day. So with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Please sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will catch you in the next one. Thank you so much.